Hello everyone. Good
Hello.
afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Hi.
everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's episode brought to you by UApp, a platform dedicated to helping you unlock your holistic wellness through the power of science, ancient wisdom, and personalized guidance. At UVAP, we believe that true health goes beyond just physical fitness. It is about understanding the deeper connection between mind and your soul, mind, body, and soul. And by uncovering root cause of wellness challenges. In this episode, we are diving into something so fundamental yet often overlooked. Yes, your breath. We will explore how the way we breathe can dramatically influence our mental well-being, from managing stress and anxiety to improving focus and sleep. And with with our lovely guest Priyanka, we will uncover how something as simple as breathing can help you finding calm in chaos and boost your energy level, improve your sleep, and connect to deeper practices like yoga. So whether you are new to breath work or just curious to know about its benefit, let's just dive into this topic and we will have a lot of information for you. So take a deep breath, relax, and just start understanding the incredible power of mental well-being. So hi Priyanka. So I would just like to start with that breathing is something we do every day without even thinking about it. So, but why is it that way we breathe is so crucial for our mental well-being?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think that's you said absolutely correctly that this is such an important but overlooked part of the entire thing. We do it all the time. We do it automatically all the time.
Mm,
And now in today's session, when we see how much we can modulate our well-being with just modulating our breath, then
mm,
we will see, like, this is something which is so easy. The key is in your hands, and how you can just do a few deep breaths here and there, and certain things, that certain specific type of breath work that we will discuss, that
mm,
these things can really help us modulate our mental well-being, our mind, how we are thinking, what we are thinking, the type of area we want to think more about. Do we want to activate ourselves, or do we want to relax ourselves? So there are different ways in which, and now if you put attention on this breath, you will yourself see that automatically those things are happening, just that they were happening without your knowledge. So
mm,
why breathing is so important, and why today's session is so important, is because this is one tool which nature has given in your hands. If you utilize it, then you can, then it is actually a tool. Even if you don't utilize it, nature will automatically keep on modulating it. But if you put attention to it, you can pretty much gain control of how you are feeling, if you
mm,
just control your breath. So then, because of such a high level of importance that this particular area has, we thought it would be good to do a session on breath work, and especially given the epidemic of mental health that we today have. So, like, just by doing a few breaths in a certain way here and there, 5 minutes a day, not too much, 5 minutes a day could really dramatically change how you are feeling. And you will see, like, in today's session, how the different muscles which are involved in breathing, they are connected to the nervous system, and both of them talk to each other. So your breath determines how you are feeling, and how you are feeling determines your breath. So there you can say, like, the nervous system, which is basically how you are feeling at any point in time, your muscular system, which is in that, then taking care of how you are breathing, they are talking to each other all the time. So you feel sad, your breath changes. Now you change your breath, you feel happy. Now it is that much correlated, and that's what we are going to explore, because that will make, because at all our podcast, our aim is to empower users. Our aim is to not make users dependent on a pill, a supplement, a report. Our aim is to, one, give them, just we are nobody to give them, but they already have those powers. Just tell them about those powers so they can utilize it. And when they need it, when their life situation comes, when they are stressed in office, when they are stressed in life, when their wife or husband is unhappy with them, and then they want to feel relaxed. So see, your mind is entirely in your hands. Is Now we will see what is the science of it. Why do people say that how you feel actually is in your hands? Now we will show you how it is in your hands. How by just changing a little bit, how by just using your hands a little bit, you are changing the muscles which are using this breath. And then
Hmm.
when those muscles are talking to your nervous system, you will
Hmm.
see in 5 minutes things are quite different.
Right. So
And
it
that's
seems
why
like,
it's a
yeah.
very important thing.
So you rightly said that it is very much overlooked because we keep on doing it. Once you stop, then it's over for you. I mean, it's over for everyone. So one thing you said that it is very powerful and we can actually change our life in terms of health. Everywhere we can change. So how do we start with it? Like how the way we change our breathing can help in managing our anxiety and stress.
Absolutely. So here, I'll talk about two systems so that then, everything in the further podcast will be determined by those two systems. And we have discussed in, previous podcast as a reference to these systems. So you can think of your body as so there are many modes, but like primarily we are talking about two modes here. So
Hmm.
one is, you can think of it like a sun mode, and one is a moon mode, just for ease of understanding. Now what is sun? Sun is activity, energy. Like if you have to go and hunt, that is sun. If you have to make a killing presentation, that is sun. Like right now in this podcast we are speaking and of course it's not only sun at times, so but primarily sun. When you are in an active state, you are learning, you are studying state, so that is like activation of sun energy.
Hmm.
When you are chilling, when you are relaxing, when you are eating food, enjoying, vibing, like all those things, so that is moon energy. You need both. And actually what you need is a balance of the two. You don't need excess of anyone, so neither is sun. So both of them are good, but both of them are good in a balance. Like too much of fire क्या होगा, खाना जल जाएगा.
Hmm.
And no fire का क्या होगा, पकेगा ही नहीं. So you
Correct.
want right amount of fire for cooking the food. Same way, when you are doing anything, you are utilizing all the systems in your body. This is like you are cooking, so you need
Hmm.
just the right amount of fire. Too much, it will get burned, you will get ulcers. So whenever people get like skin issues, ulcers in the stomach, acidity, this means too much fire. The fire is going out of place. And when
Hmm.
there is sluggish, मतलब खाना पचता ही नहीं है, bloating है, that is less fire. And then
Hmm.
थके थके रहते हैं, then fire is less. So what you need is a balance between these two systems. And now, like, I'll just tell you something and then you can observe it, like in your breathing. The left side is basically the left breath. When you take this, is your moon channel, and right
Hmm.
one is your sun channel.
Okay.
I'll tell you something magical, and then you can observe it during the day. Automatically, after for every person it varies a little bit, between 30 minute to 60 minute, it changes from one channel to the other. So you will see at one point one channel is dominating a little bit more, at
Hmm.
sometimes the other channel is dominating a little bit more, and very few times during the day both channels are talking.
Okay.
So
So, what is the meaning in case I'm feeling that my left is more active right now?
that is good, which means you are in a relaxed state of mind. So right now, but see, there is nothing good or bad, depends on when do you need to be relaxed and when do you
Okay.
need to be energized. So and automatically, in every situation there is a need for relaxation and excitement, sometimes together.
Hmm.
So for example, let's say we are talking.
Hmm.
So right now I am thinking in my mind and then I am saying,
Hmm.
right? But abhi isme, so there is this sun energy involved, but at the same time I should be relaxed enough that I remember what I have to talk. What could, what do I want to talk about, what are the good points to talk. So उसमें relaxation और वो दोनों की जरूरत है. So ऐसा नहीं कह सकते कभी भी that I only need sun or I only need moon.
Correct.
What you need is a balance of the two. एंड बॉडी ऑटोमेटिकली वो बैलेंस पे प्ले करती है. बॉडी को समझ होती है कि इस टाइम में इसकी ज्यादा जरूरत है, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज करती है. तो इफ यू आर इन अ नॉर्मल सिचुएशन, नो स्ट्रेस सिचुएशन, देन ऑटोमेटिकली दिस विल चेंज. थोड़ी देर लेफ्ट चलेगा, फिर थोड़ी देर राइट चलेगा, देन बीच में दोनों भी चलेंगे. इनफैक्ट कभी कभी आप देखोगे दिन में ब्रेथ यहां तक आएगी, कभी कभी यहां तक आएगी, कभी कभी यहां तक भी आएगी. So this is like a science which is going on for your entire day. सोते टाइम अलग चलेंगी, उठते टाइम अलग चलेंगी, एंड उनका कितना कितना वो इंटेंसिटी से चल रही है, that will also be different. So what happens is breathing is such a integral part of how you are feeling, what you are doing, that this simple tool which is there in your nose can dramatically change your life, and that too without taking a lot of time.
Correct.
And just to tell you, like agar mera inhale, so we all know there are two parts to a breath, two basic parts to a breath, which is inhale and exhale.
Correct.
So when we exhale, you are activating the moon channel, which is the relaxation channel. So just by doing one simple thing, which is inhale for one time and exhale double. So you can use your mouth or you can do from the nose. I just for showing So exhale is double. So this is actually if I want to go towards relaxation, because now I am giving more power to the moon channel. Now moon is relax, rest, digest, that one channel. So this is one simple thing in which you can change the way you breathe and something changes in your mind. Now another one which is very good, and especially when you are feeling anxiety or stress of any type, double inhale and then a long exhale. So inhale with me, like double inhale. So two inhales.
Two full inhales.
So full, second one can't be full. So you will do one inhale, then एक उसके पीछे खींचो, and then one long exhale. Exhale has to be long.
So how does this help?
So excuse me. So this basically what it does is, so it is can you close it? So what it does is, so you are by the long exhale and then first by two inhalings, you are first taking in a lot of oxygen. See, what happens is a lot of people today are under breathers. Under breather means I'm only breathing till here. And we will discuss about, like, so by full inhales, first you are taking in fully and then exhaling fully. So basically अच्छे से लिया and then अच्छे से छोड़ा, दोनों चीजें क्लीन करनी है. सो जितना ज्यादा हम लोग डीप इनहेल और डीप एक्सहेल करते हैं, उतना ज्यादा यू आर हेल्पिंग योर सिस्टम्स. एंड व्हेन यू हेल्प योर सिस्टम्स, व्हेन योर सिस्टम्स बिकम हैप्पी, you have to understand that mind and mental जो nervous system is also a system. Then it automatically has an impact on that. And this you can, anybody who is listening to the podcast, if you feel stressed, do it 5 times. So double inhale and then deep long exhale. एक्सेल को डीप लॉन्ग, मतलब जितना देर मैं नॉर्मली इनहेल करने में लेती हूँ उसका डबल. सी अभी आप लोगों को एक्सेल करने को भी बोलोगे वो फटाफट कर देंगे. फटाफट नहीं करना. इट हैज टू बी स्लो. If it is slow, it will activate the channel which is responsible for relaxation. If it is fast, तो वो तो कर ही रहे हो, वो तो ऑटोमेटिक में हो ही रहा है. And automatically this happens when you feel stressed, your breath work changes accordingly. जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि when you get stressed, breath automatically shallow होती जाती है, heart rate बढ़ जाता है. So these are signs that your stress system is getting activated. Now it's not bad to activate the stress system. What is bad is it is activated all the time. That is bad. So stress system देखो, अभी जब सांप आ जाएगा, शेर आ जाएगा, तो then तो stress system has to be activated, right? You cannot then be in a rest and digest mode. Then you want stress, you want heartbeat pumping, you want breath भी तभी ज़्यादा तेज एकदम हो रही होगी because you are taking in more and more oxygen at that point. But you want that. Sorry, I'll just. Yeah. So what you want is that depending upon what is the need of the body at different point, you will be activating one system or another system. Now but लेकिन पूरा दिन आपका stress system activated है, that is something that you don't want, because then it will burn the body. Like you don't want all the time sun, moon, both have to come and dance in tandem. अगर सन पूरा दिन रहेगा, like 24 hours sun रहेगा, even though no matter how good sun is, that's not conducive to the life on earth. You need moon. And that is why it's important that we look at both, both sides. Now isme, like one other way in which just to think about it, I'll just tell you, like, which is the biggest muscle which is involved in breathing, and that's called your diaphragm. Now उसका जो डायफ्राम का जो हमारा मूवमेंट होता है ना, उसके मूवमेंट की जो रिदम है, इट्स अ मसल, डायफ्राम. इनफैक्ट इट इज ऑल्सो अ पंप. जैसे हार्ट हमारा पंप है, इवन डायफ्राम भी पंप है, जो कि लिम्फ नोड्स में जो लिम्फ फ्लूइड होता है उसको पंप करता है. तो मतलब इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर क्लिनजिंग ऑफ द एंटायर बॉडी. नाउ उसका जो रिदम होता है, इफ इट इज लाइक स्लोली अप देन डाउन, स्लोली अप देन डाउन, this sends a calming signal to brain, because diaphragm के अंदर हमारे बहुत सारे nerves हैं. Now when the diaphragm is moving like this, very up then down, then up then down, so then that sends a calming signal to brain, to the brain. But when it is up and down, up and down, up and down, फटाफट, so brain को लगता है some panic is happening and I have to do something.
But not in the case of chest breathing, because normally I just noticed I'm not breathing from diaphragm. I'm doing it from chest.
No, so you are breathing from diaphragm, तो use होगा ही होगा, because your lungs
But
can't
there's
move.
no movement in diaphragm. It is just that my
There
chest
is
is.
movement. So जो डायफ्राम है उसकी मूवमेंट के बिना तो लंग्स एक्सपैंड और वो होंगे ही नहीं. सो मसल जो इन्वॉल्व है उसके अंदर, वो आपकी डायफ्राम की तो है ही. The only thing is now you are telling me that you are a shallow breather, which means I am a chest breather versus मेरा belly तक जाता है या नहीं जाता. See, when you are breathing, can you feel the contraction in the belly area as well? So you are saying you are only feeling it till here. And that is why you mean my
I will
diaphragm.
have to work on this practice, and in next session I will tell you. I will notice this for 1 week because I have never noticed. So that's why we said these small things which we are going to discover in this session might be
Correct.
helpful for everyone.
Correct. So your diaphragm जो है, आपकी जो diaphragm muscle की जो movement है, that is your trick of talking to the brain. You move it fast, and you can consciously also do it then. So you move it fast, you are giving a stress signal, which may not always be a bad thing. Sometimes you need stress because you want to activate sun, right? Because अभी आप इतना थके थके से रहते हो, तो थोड़ा सा आपको एक बार वो भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम is, जैसे we do भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम in our classes. Now that is activating the sun channel because it's fast एकदम तेज up down. Whereas like so you need to know which mode, and body का जो beauty है वो, जैसे and we have discussed that in different when we discussed our diets as well, that what you want is the flexibility of using different systems whenever they get needed. So like for example, we always talk about कि glucose अच्छा है या बुरा है, fats अच्छे हैं कि बुरे हैं. अच्छा बुरा कुछ नहीं है. What you need is the flexibility that when my body को ग्लूकोज मिला तो वो ग्लूकोज से एनर्जी खींच लेती है, उसको कीटोन्स मिले फैट से तो वो वहां से एनर्जी खींच लेती है. So what you need is the flexibility of moving into either sides, whether I want to activate my moon channel or my sun channel. I need the flexibility depending upon what is life asking me to do at that point in time. Is life telling me it's night time and so jao, which means moon channel activate करो और सो जाओ, और वो ऑटोमेटिकली होते हैं. लेकिन जब वो होने बंद हो जाते हैं तो आपको इंसोम्निया होना शुरू हो जाएगा, बिकॉज योर सन इज एक्टिवेटेड एट नाइट. और अगर दिन में भी मून एक्टिवेटेड रहेगा तो आपको लेथार्जी लगेगी, कुछ करते ही नहीं है, कुछ पचता ही, तो सेम वे बॉडी भी अंदर कुछ पचाती ही नहीं है, ब्लोटिंग ही करती रहती है. सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सो व्हाट यू नीड इज द बैलेंस एंड द एबिलिटी टू स्विच. And by telling you these tools, that how by changing the speed of your diaphragm movement, you are giving a different signal to your brain. So right now if you are stressed, if we just slow down the breathing for 5 minutes, your brain gets a signal, सब ठीक है. इतनी जल्दी आपकी एंटी डिप्रेसेंट भी काम नहीं करेगी जितनी जल्दी ये काम कर देगा. So we just spoke 3 things in this. One is slow rhythmic breathing for 5 minutes. वो आपकी स्ट्रेस को रिड्यूस कर सकती है. सेकेंड, वी डिस्कस्ड इनहेल 1x एंड एक्सेल 2x. मतलब 5 सेकेंड इनहेल है तो 10 सेकेंड इनहेल. आई डू 5 सच ब्रेथ्स. एंड द थर्ड थिंग वी डिस्कस्ड इज डबल इनहेल एंड देन 1 लॉन्ग एक्सेल. 5 सच ब्रेथ्स. आइदर, मैं ये नहीं कह रही ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है और ये भी करना है. जो तीनों में से याद रहे, स्ट्रेस टाइम में कोई भी एक कर लेना. And then see.
First one was deep breathing.
First one was deep, but exhale is longer.
Okay. And
so 5 second inhale, 10 second exhale. Correct. Second one is double inhale, single exhale, but exhale is still long. And third one is just deep rhythmic breathing for 5 minutes. मतलब मैं अपनी डायफ्राम की मसल से ब्रेन को सिग्नल दे रही हूँ, सब ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. सो डायफ्राम की मसल अगर धीरे रिदम में चलेगी तो मेरी बॉडी में पूरे फ्लूइड्स जो हैं, लिम्फ फ्लूइड्स भी रिदम में जा रहे हैं एंड ब्रेन को भी सिग्नल जा रहा है, सब ठीक चल रहा है एकदम. यहाँ ऑल इज गुड. सी बॉडी में, एंड अगर वो ऐसे चल रहा है एकदम हाइपर मोड में, डीप शैलो ब्रीदिंग जब हम करते हैं ना, सी व्हेन यू डू शैलो ब्रीदिंग, आपकी बॉडी को ना ऑक्सीजन उतना मिल पाता है ना कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मिल पाता है. सो देन क्या होगा, फिर वो दोबारा से करेगी जल्दी से, फिर वो दोबारा से करेगी जल्दी से, बिकॉज आप उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी नहीं कर रहे हैं. यू आर नॉट, सी बॉडी नीड्स ऑक्सीजन, वी ऑल नो दैट, बट बॉडी ऑल्सो नीड्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. हमें लगता है खाली ऑक्सीजन चाहिए. यू नीड ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बोथ. हमारे लंग्स में जब हम, एंड हाउ what is the what are the mechanics of breathing? You breathe air through your nose, it goes in your lungs में ऑक्सीजन वो निकालते हैं, ब्लड के अंदर प्लांट कर देते हैं, हीमोग्लोबिन के अंदर आपके. अब वो पूरी बॉडी में घुमाता है उस ऑक्सीजन को, लेकिन उस ऑक्सीजन को जब हीमोग्लोबिन ले लेता है, वो गाड़ी, हीमोग्लोबिन इज लाइक द गाड़ी जिसमें ऑक्सीजन बैठ जाती है. ऑक्सीजन बैठ के वो उसको पूरा पहुंचाता है ब्लड में. नाउ लेकिन वो गाड़ी की जो बाहर की चाबी है ना, वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के पास है, उसको खोल सकता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो यू नीड अ बैलेंस ऑफ द टू. आपको खाली ये नहीं है कि खाली ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा लेनी है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड पूरी है, दोनों अपनी अपनी जगह है. जैसे हर चीज में बैलेंस है. आप देख रहे हो हर थीम के अंदर बैलेंस इज कमिंग एज अ रेगुलर थीम इन आवर डिस्कशंस. सो व्हाट यू नीड इज ऑक्सीजन and carbon dioxide and the balance of the two, because oxygen will reach your cell if there is enough carbon dioxide in the body as well. And that is why in yoga we have different type of practices in which you do breath hold. So breathing में क्या होते हैं, breathing में 3 type के parts होते हैं. So first is आप breathe कर रहे हो, जो कि आप जैसे अभी कर रहे हो, inhale कर रहे हो, exhale कर रहे हो. आप थोड़े से एडवांस जैसे ही होते हो, आपकी ब्रेथ में होल्ड्स स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. होल्ड्स का क्या मतलब है? इनहेल,
then hold, and then exhale,
then exhale, then hold. इससे बॉडी में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड टॉलरेंस बढ़ती है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड टॉलरेंस इज स्ट्रेस टॉलरेंस. बॉडी एक ही बात है. वो स्ट्रेस अभी आपको लग रहा है कि आपकी आपकी वाइफ ने स्ट्रेस दे दिया, आपके बॉस ने स्ट्रेस दे दिया, आपके जॉब ने स्ट्रेस दे दिया एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. बट बॉडी को वो जो समझ आता है ना, बॉडी में जैसे ही स्ट्रेस आता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बढ़ती है, बॉडी को स्ट्रेस की फीलिंग चालू हो जाती है.
करेक्ट.
But if in my yoga practices, I am increasing my carbon dioxide tolerance, which means when the same carbon dioxide gets built up, I'm pretty okay. I can hold it. I do it in the morning anyway. So that is the difference. So yoga is not just yoga in that class. So let's say you attended the yoga session this morning. There is always pranayam, and pranayam is breath work. So that is not, so pranayam is not teaching you कि मेरे को कितनी देर मैं होल्ड कर सकती हूँ, 30 सेकंड करती हूँ कि 40 करती हूँ या 20 करती हूँ. आइडिया इज wherever you were, आप उससे आगे कर रहे हो, which means in life and in situations, in your business, in your money matters, in your finance matters, in your stock market, wherever you are, you will be a little better. That's the idea. So वही हमें जैसे and that's why one thing which we have always incorporated in our yoga programs is like Monday to Sunday कोई भी सीक्वेंस हो, किसी भी बॉडी पार्ट पे काम कर रहे हो, बट ब्रेथ वर्क तो आएगा ही आएगा. ब्रेथ वर्क इज द इजीएस्ट थिंग फॉर पीपल टू डू, स्पेशली पीपल हु से आई कैन नॉट मेडिटेट, मेरा ध्यान नहीं लगता. ब्रेथ वर्क जो आप सोच सकते हो, ब्रेथ वर्क जो होता है ना, मेडिटेशन की तरफ की एक रास्ता ही है. बिकॉज ब्रीदिंग जब आप कंट्रोल करते हो, दिमाग अपने आप कंट्रोल होने लग जाता है. तो एक तरह से आप ऐसा कह सकते हो, ब्रेथ वर्क इज द शॉर्टकट टू मेडिटेशन. दिस एनीबडी कैन डू, बिकॉज इसमें क्या स्टेप्स हैं, 1 2 3 4 करते जाओ और वो करते करते मेडिटेशन हो जाएगी. सो पीपल हु से मेरे से मेडिटेट नहीं होता, मैं सो जाते हैं, ये होता है वो होता है, आप 5 से 10 मिनट ब्रेथ वर्क करना शुरू कीजिए, जो कि एनीवे यूवैप की वेलनेस क्लासेस में वी हैव इंक्लूडेड. So you just start coming to the classes. Yoga classes में last 15 minutes जो होते हैं वो यही है. And 15 minutes is more than enough. 15 minutes मतलब breath work बहुत है एक दिन के लिए. See वही तो, उसके अंदर मैजिक इतना ज्यादा है, वो 5 मिनट में अपने असर दे देते हैं, 15 मिनट तो बहुत हो गया. अब कौन सी ऐसी गोली है जो 5 मिनट में आपको असर देती है? So breath is your that key. And today what we are speaking is the scientific basis, so that people who are skeptical कि क्या breathing से कैसे होगा, भाई breathing से मेरे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड टॉलरेंस बढ़ती है. मेरी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड टॉलरेंस is what the body perceives as stress.
Correct.
And then we also spoke about how by moving the diaphragm, how by moving you are sending different signals to the brain. And left channel right channel को हम जो moon और sun कह रहे हैं for simplicity, that is your sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system for those who are interested in science. So sun is sympathetic nervous system, moon is parasympathetic nervous system. Parasympathetic is chilling, sun is activating, sympathetic is bhago, like that. So this is what it is. And just by moving the breath इधर की इधर, आप बोल रहे हो कि पैरासिम्पैथेटिक में रहना है कि सिंपैथेटिक में रहना है. ऑटोमेटिक तो हो ही रहा है, लेकिन ऑटोमेटिक में तो तड़प हो रही है ना, आपको स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, तो इसको उसका कॉन्शियस कंट्रोल लेना है फिर.
Right. And for these classes, if you want to go for trials for our viewers, you can just comment trial and we will reach out to you and send you all the details. So Priyanka, I will just जो summarize कर देता हूँ for our viewers जो आपने बताया, and correct me if I am wrong. So you said that there are 2 channels, one is sun and moon. Sun is for activity and moon is for chilling. Relax करते हैं तो moon channel activate रहता है हमारा. And left channel is moon side and right is sun side. And our breathing changes with emotions, which we discussed that अगर stress होता है तो we go for shallow breathing and थोड़ी short breath हो जाती है हमारी उसमें. And 3 ways which you recommended that we should do is, one is that 1x inhale, 2x exhale, then xx inhale, then long exhale, and third one is rhythmic breathing, jo diaphragm se we breathe through diaphragm and we feel that, so because it sends signals to your brain that we are getting relaxed.
Absolutely.
So plus automatically balance maintain हो जाता है But if you want to do something, work on yourself, then you have to put in attention to your breathing and work on that part. Even we discuss about oxygen and CO2, because CO2, I was reading about CO2 tolerance when I was trying to swim for a longer duration. I
Yes.
was not able to do for long duration swimmings because I was preparing for Ironman. So
Yeah.
in that case, I heard that CO2 tolerance is necessary. Otherwise, we won't be able to swim for like 2 kilometers. So that's
Correct.
why
Correct.
I got that point. So I was able to understand now that
Yeah.
I have to work on yoga rather than
Yes.
practicing swimming.
Yes.
That how I will be able to work on that
Correct.
part.
And in
So
fact, like this is one thing, and I feel over the next few years, this will become very big. Especially people like you mentioned about Ironman competition that you wanted to do, and same way, people who want to really excel in athletics. If you
hmm,
don't master your breath, so people who will master their breath will be taking the shortcut in winning those competitions, and hence this will become really big, that how you manage your breath and then using your breath. So अगर if you are really athletic, what will happen in your body कि आप बहुत जोर से, बॉडी तो बहुत जोर से भाग रही है, हार्ट
hmm,
ज्यादा नहीं, हार्ट इज लाइक chilling.
right.
It's common. I do it all the time. So that is like कि बॉडी में वो मेटाबोलाइट बिल्डअप हो रहे हैं, बट इतना स्ट्रेस क्रिएट नहीं हो रहा है. तो आपकी बॉडी में भागने की पूरी शक्ति दे रहा है वो ब्लड आपका.
Hmm,
आपका जो ऑक्सीजन है, सी बिकॉज इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी टू हैव इनफ ऑक्सीजन, यू नीड टू हैव इनफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऑल्सो. सो योर ऑक्सीजन इज, so one, you have good oxygen, oxygen is going everywhere, it is helping you perform in the field, and then like
hmm,
but heart is still relaxing. मतलब उसको ऐसा नहीं है स्ट्रेस है कि 180 पे भाग रहा है उस टाइम, वो
correct, correct.
आराम से चिल होके भाग रहा है.
Hmm.
So that is
Okay.
the idea.
Okay, so one thing which we discussed during the conversation, that you said that breathe through nose and then exhale through mouth. So
Okay,
I
I
have
did not
always
say exhale through mouth वैसे.
so you were just giving an example that that we can just to for viewers to understand that we can exhale through mouth. So that's the that's why I said there is a
No, no,
context.
no. So now this. Okay, fine. Yes.
Okay, right. So that's why. But my next question is that what is the difference between breathing through mouth and nose? So
Okay,
how does
so
that impact our health?
for all the women who are watching this, or all the men also who want a nice jawline,
Hmm. Right.
right? आजकल बहुत jawline का fashion है, right? Because that's
That's
how you get good, nice pictures. You know, people say that in order to get good pictures, your features should be very good. But I feel like the one thing that determines how good your pictures will come is your jawline. और
okay.
अगर आपके बहुत अच्छे फीचर्स है बट ये चीज अगर उतना अच्छा नहीं है, सो देन व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि उतना अच्छा पिक्चर नहीं आता है, गोल हो जाता. अगर ये गोल हो गया, बहुत दिक्कत हो जाता है पिक्चर में. लाइक
Hmm.
फिर आपको जबरदस्ती निकालना पड़ता है उसके, एंड देयर आर वेरियस ट्रिक्स फॉर डूइंग दैट इन इन मॉडलिंग.
Or maybe
सो
increasing your beard and then shaping it.
सो
In
इफ
that.
यू रियली केयर अबाut दिस एरिया, डोंट ब्रीथ थ्रू योर माउथ.
Okay.
सो ब्रीदिंग थ्रू माउथ मेक्स यू अगली. Literally,
Okay.
it does make you ugly.
So
So
that means
it
people
will just
who
spoil,
not
जिनका ये एरिया बहुत गंदा दिखता है ना, so they are usually mouth breathers.
okay.
So if you want to look sharp and nice, use your nose. There is no way, like mouth breathing has got so many disadvantages. Like
Hmm.
sometimes, like जब भी बहुत मरने वाली हालत हो रही है, जरा सा मैंने माउथ ब्रीदिंग कर ली, बात अलग है. But otherwise, you have to stick to nose breathing only. सी माउथ
Hmm.
के अंदर 2 चैनल्स दिख रहे हैं आपको, वो सन और मून कैसे एक्टिवेट होंगे? नहीं होंगे. नोज के अंदर दुनिया भर का कार्यक्रम इन्वॉल्व है. नोज में यहां से जाती है ब्रेथ, यहां से घूम के यहां पे आती है. नाउ देर
Hmm.
आर सो मेनी एरियाज इन्वॉल्व. वन, व्हेन यू डू नेजल ब्रीदिंग व्हिच इज थ्रू नोज, there is one gas which gets produced which is called nitric oxide.
Hmm.
Nitric oxide is 15 times higher through nose than in mouth. And
Hmm.
nitric oxide is something that you should really care about, because it relaxes your nervous system. It kills the virus and bacteria which are bad. So it can differentiate between the the bad viruses which are there in your nasal tract, and उनको हाथ के हाथ finish off कर देगा वो वहीं पे,
Okay.
which will not happen through mouth. So people who are getting chronic infections of this area, they need to check if they are mouth breathing. So people, like यहाँ पर क्या होता है जब when you and this you can try right now, when you breathe through your nose, see कहाँ पे पेट तक वो फील होगा. अभी माउथ से ब्रीथ करो और पेट तक लेके जाओ उसको. चेस्ट के नीचे उतारना मुश्किल होगा.
करेक्ट.
बिकॉज नोज क्या करता है, नोज एक्चुअली प्रेशराइजेस द एयर इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे ताकि वो आगे तक जा पाती है. सो इट इज मोर stressful, not stressful, it is more like difficult to take it from the nose than it is from the mouth. But same way nose वाला जो होता है ना, वो जो 10 गुना काम कर रहा है, ये 1 गुना भी नहीं कर पाता उतना.
Okay.
So and hence माउथ को जब भी आपको बहुत ही कफ एंड कोल्ड हो गया, यू आर अनेबल टू टेक थ्रू योर नोज, दैट टाइम यूज योर माउथ, बट अदरवाइज डू नॉट यूज योर माउथ.
Yeah, I think on your first point itself, people will start buying tapes and they will put it here because nobody wants to look ugly.
And secondly, what happens? एक जो बहुत ही again, I think this is one thing which has gone wrong and it will change after 10 years is when people get orthodontics treatment. Now what happens? Orthodontic treatment में बोलेंगे आपके दांत बाहर है, ठीक है. तो क्या होता है उसका टिपिकल इलाज? 4 दांत निकालते हैं, है ना, और उसको पीछे कर देते हैं दांत को. नाउ एक चीज आपने कर दी, दांत तो पीछे कर दिए, आपकी टंग भी उसी माउथ के हिसाब से बनी हुई थी. दांत आपने पीछे कर दिए, अब टंग के लिए ना जगह कम बच गई, वो पूरा एरिया छोटा हो गया, राइट. नाउ टंग डज नॉट हैव द स्पेस. सोते सोते फिर क्या होगा? माउथ ओपन होएगा. सोते सोते क्या, जागते जागते भी अनकॉन्शियसली हो जाएगा. एंड देन यू विल बी ब्रीदिंग थ्रू योर माउथ मच मोर. तो आपके मुंह में जगह जितनी कम है उतना आपके लिए परेशानी होने का ज्यादा चांस है. एंड इट इज नाउ ऑब्जर्व दैट पीपल हु गॉट ऑर्थोडोंटिक ट्रीटमेंट्स, जिसमें उनके 4 दांत निकाले गए और वो पीछे पुश किया गया वो माउथ में, अभी नाउ देयर इज अ रिवर्स ट्रेंड इन सम कंट्रीज जहां पर वो वापस दांत इम्प्लांट करके वापस बाहर कर रहे हैं. यस, बिकॉज लाइक यू सी, लाइक पुराने, लाइक जैसे होता है ना, बहुत ज्यादा जो ये जब वो पुराने वाले स्कल्स निकालते हैं, बहुत पुराने लोग जो मर गए, एंड यू नो आवर एंसेस्टर्स, लाइक हजारों साल पुराने जो स्कल्स वगैरह निकालते हैं, उन लोगों के ये एरिया बड़ा होता था जैसा कि आज के उसमें मॉडल्स का होता है, बट उन लोगों का वो नेचुरली होता था. सो दिस एरिया अगर आपने शॉर्ट पहले से ही है, और अगर आपने शॉर्ट कम से कम पहले है, तो देन यू नो, देन योर टंग इज आल्सो ऑफ द सेम साइज प्रोबब्ली. बट अगर आपने जान के करवाया है, then what happens is you end up with other problems. दांत तो अंदर चले गए, बट ये एरिया खराब हो जाएगा, एंड देन यू नो वेरियस टाइप ऑफ उनको एलर्जीज, ये क्या बोलते हैं आपको, छींके आना, जो जो इस एरिया की प्रॉब्लम है ना, रेस्पिरेटरी इश्यूज, ये सब चीजें उनको ज्यादा होती है, बिकॉज यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली ब्रीदिंग फ्रॉम द माउथ. So you will get more allergies, you will look worse, you will not even be sending enough oxygen and carbon dioxide to your lower organs. You are only a shallow breather, which means your risk for your heart will have to work harder now, because पहुंचाना तो पड़ेगा, तो वो और धक्के मारेगा, जाओ यार किसी तरह से ऑक्सीजन पहुंचो, जरा सी ऑक्सीजन है, सब लोग एडजस्ट करो इसके अंदर. So you know your heart will get stressed, your lungs are getting stressed. So all those things means that your all cause mortality और all cause like किसी भी कारण से, मतलब आपकी लाइफ की कंडीशन खराब होना, डेथ होना is higher. So you do not want to breathe through your mouth. कभी रेयरली, बहुत आपको जैसे होता है ना, जिम में हवा नहीं आ रही, ठीक है, एक बार के लिए कर लो, लेकिन डू नॉट मेक इट अ हैबिट. हैबिट के लिए यही है. सी इसके अंदर जितना एडवांस मशीनरी, आपको कैसे लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे यू नो, जैसे वो लेफ्ट, कभी वो लेफ्ट को एक्टिवेट करता है, कभी राइट को करता है. आज आप दिन भर में देखना, कभी आपकी ब्रीदिंग यहाँ तक आएगी, कभी यहाँ तक आएगी, कभी यहाँ तक आएगी. ये पूरा एक साइंटिफिक मशीनरी चल रही है इसके अंदर. And it is a very complicated one for helping different organs, for helping different states that your body can get into. So you do not want to unnecessary mess with it. अभी आपने वो दांत अंदर कराए और टंग, फिर उसके बाद टंग का पता नहीं क्या होगा, एंड देन उसके बाद आप माउथ से ब्रीदिंग करोगे एंड वेरियस टाइप ऑफ एलिमेंट्स हैपन.
Okay.
सो हाँ, मतलब
So in
लॉन्ग
short,
हाँ
so in short, answer is that mouth breathing is strict no. जिस चीज के लिए जो बनी है उसे डोंट मेस विद दैट. आप
करेक्ट.
माउथ अगर खाने के लिए तो उससे खाना खाओ, नाक सांस लेने की तो उससे सांस लो आप प्लीज. तो
एंड
and
ये
plus you
आपने
said
जो बोला,
that it you are going to get ugly if you breathe through mouth, jawline खराब हो
लिटरली
जाएगी.
अगली.
So I am stuck on that point only, and I'm thinking that only that I'm not gonna open my mouth while breathing.
जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तो हम मुंह से थोड़ा सांस लेते ही हैं, विच इज ओके. बट बात आप कितना करते हो, मतलब टोटल पूरे उसमें भी देखोगे 2 घंटे तो बहुत हो गया, लाइक
Correct.
कंटिन्यूअस. लाइक जैसे अगर आप देखोगे पूरे दिन को ऐड कर दोगे, 2 आवर आप बात करोगे, आप बहुत थक जाओगे.
Correct.
सो बट बाकी तो अपने 22 घंटे बचते हैं. एंड होता क्या है, आप दिन में वट एवर यू आर डूइंग, नाइट में यू विल रिपीट द सेम थिंग. एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू सी, एंड इसमें आपने जैसे माउथ को यूज करो खाने के लिए, यू जस्ट यूज दोज वर्ड्स, सो आई एम जस्ट पिकिंग ऑन दैट. तो बिकॉज हम माउथ का भी कम यूज कर रहे हैं आजकल फॉर द पर्पस विच माउथ वॉज बिल्ड फॉर, hence more and more people are getting sleep apnea. You know what is sleep apnea? लोग सांस लेते हैं, रात को उनको सांस नहीं आती तो उनकी बॉडी झटका मारती है, एकदम करती है.
हाँ,
स्लीप एपनिया इज द एडवांस स्टेज ऑफ स्नोरिंग. सो लोग खराटे लेते हैं नींद में, खराटे लेने के बाद कुछ सालों तक वही चलता है, फिर खराटे बढ़ने लग जाते हैं, फिर वही चलता है, एंड देन इट रिजल्ट्स इन स्लीप एपनिया एट द लेटर स्टेजेस. सो
Okay.
स्लीप एपनिया जो होता है वो क्यों होता है? आपकी जो टंग है ना, जैसे हमारी बॉडी मोटी हो जाती है वैसे हमारी टंग भी मोटी हो जाती है.
Okay.
इवन टंग गेट्स
Like it's visibly thick or just that?
बॉटम, जो बॉटम पार्ट होता है आपको दिखेगा नहीं, बट जो पार्ट विच इज कनेक्टिंग इट, सो नॉट द विजिबल पार्ट बट द कनेक्टिंग पार्ट बिकम्स फैट. सो जैसे आपके पेट के अराउंड जो चर्बी आती है, लाइक द विसरल फैट अराउंड योर स्टमक एरिया, यू हैव विसरल फैट अराउंड योर टंग.
Okay.
एंड खराटे लेते हो, अपने वाइफ से, हस्बैंड से पूछो, दैट मीन्स है. सो खराटे नहीं, क्योंकि खराटे इज लाइक माई इंटरप्शन हो रही है मेरी अंदर सांस जाने में. सो
Correct.
दैट मीन्स योर टंग इज बिकमिंग फैट. अभी आजकल नाउ देयर इज अ न्यू फैशन ऑफ वेरियस टाइप ऑफ टंग एक्सरसाइजेस आल्सो. Like in
Correct.
yoga also we do, like sometimes you touch your tongue to the palate and then various type of things, but the easiest way of tongue exercise is eating salads. Chew. And when you do that, your mouth is getting exercise. So this is what your mouth was built for, chewing. Now you're not chewing, you are cooking all the foods and dhap karke kha gaye unko ek baar mein. So that's why even in my smoothies, what I like to do is I keep them crunchy. So nut smoothie mein nuts beech mein aayenge. So you chew. So while it is easier, but don't make it so easy that mouth ko zara bhi काम ना करना पड़े. और salads, तो that is why we suggest in, you know, to everybody जो हमारे wellness classes में है, that you have to eat salads twice a day at least. So जब वो आप twice a day exercise करोगे, आपका sleep apnea, आपका जो माउथ का जो पर्पस है उसके लिए माउथ को यूज करो, जो नोज का जो पर्पस है उसके लिए नोज को यूज करो. सो इट इज ऑल कॉमन सेंस. You know, you want to get into the science, we can get into science, we can share the research reports and all, but it's also common sense. Use the mouth for chewing, use the nose for breathing, and do not interchange the roles.
Right. So one thing which you discuss is about sleep. So are there any techniques for better sleep which we can
So
use?
this is exactly the one that we discussed just now. Is, see, when you get snoring, when you get sleep apnea, you are not just disturbing the sleep of your the person who is sleeping with you, but you are सबसे ज़्यादा you are disturbing your own sleep. Because in sleep a lot of people are under breathers. One, you shallow breathe, lot of people shallow breathe in sleeping, lot of people snore, then sleep apnea uska advanced stage ho gaya. Now all these things are related to your cardiac health, your lung health, and pretty much health of all the other major systems, including your mental health. बिकॉज अगर हमारी बॉडी में आप सोएंगे अच्छा नहीं, एवरीबडी नोज कि यू नो हाउ मच लाइक इफ आई एम नॉट स्लीपिंग वेल आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू फील गुड द नेक्स्ट डे. सो इट्स क्लियरली कनेक्टेड. एंड ब्रीदिंग इज सच अ सिस्टम जो कि सबको कनेक्ट कर रहा है. सी एवरी सेल इन योर बॉडी नीड्स ऑक्सीजन. If they don't get oxygen, they will not produce anything that they are supposed to produce, including your feel good hormones.
Correct.
Right? So if you have stressed all the systems that they are not producing their desired effects, your desired mood effects are feel good hormones. When do you feel good? When your body has serotonin, dopamine. So सबको काम करने के लिए उनको शक्ति तो चाहिए ना. दिस इज लाइक द, जैसे होता है ना कि दिस इज द गैस. गाड़ी कहीं जाएगी, आपको दिल्ली जाना है, बॉम्बे जाना है, वो बाद की बात है. गाड़ी चलेगी तब जब पेट्रोल होगा. So this
correct.
is that petrol, because oxygen is that petrol in the body. So when you are sleeping, you have to make sure, and उसमें भी वही सबसे बड़ी चीज है माउथ ब्रीदिंग एंड नेजल ब्रीदिंग. आप उसकी प्रैक्टिस करो. दिन भर में आप नोज ब्रीदिंग की प्रैक्टिस करो इफ यू आर अ माउथ ब्रीदर, एंड मुंह बंद के रख के कोशिश करो कि आप अपनी नोज को ही यूज कर रहे हो. And you have to shift to nose breathing as much as possible if you want to improve your sleep, which in turn will improve everything else. And you know, breathing again is like, you know, in all our podcast we are talking about the fundamental things. We are not talking about are ye jadi booty mili, this is the best one in the entire world. हमारा शरीर इतना कमजोर नहीं बनना कि वो एक जड़ी बूटी नहीं मिलेगी या वो पिल नहीं मिलेगी तो हमारा कुछ हो नहीं पाएगा.
Correct.
Right? So many people do not eat any type of jadi booties ever. So many people do not eat any type of, and our ancestors never ate all this pharma drugs. Still हम लोग आज यहाँ पे है, मतलब generations चल रही थी.
Correct.
So that's the idea. So mouth breathing as much as possible. That is the one. And second thing, अपनी tongue का जो fat है उसको कम करो. Which means अपने
to find out that so only thing is that snoring and that's sleep apnea, or is there any way we can find out if there is any fat around our tongue or
so you
something?
can see your tummy. If there is fat there, probably there is fat there as well. वो दोनों इकट्ठे जाएंगे.
Easy
so
test.
मतलब like a visible test would be just see जैसे अपनी body के मध्य प्रदेश को, if the Madhya Pradesh is going a little expanded, so then you know कि even this guy is a little under stress. And as you reduce your visceral fat using eating the right type of diets, you know, you start coming to the wellness classes, you will get to learn so much about diet as well. We have diet charts for different type of problems like PCOD, PCOS, then diabetes, BP, cholesterol, weight loss, all these type of different problems which are there. They need certain nuanced diet, but certain principles are similar as well, which is use your mouth, common sense, salads. So if I am all the time only drinking, all the time if I am only eating cooked food, आप देखो ना सब्जी जो है आपकी तोरी है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, उसको आपने पकाया हुआ है, राइट? कितनी देर लगती है चबाने में? 2 बाइट के अंदर गई वो तो. चावल का आपने एकदम खिचड़ी बनी हुई है, कितनी देर लगेगी? हाँ, वो बुढ़े लोगों के लिए ठीक है जिनके दांत नहीं है. आपके हैं तो उनको यूज करो. And when you do that, automatically, like, you know, your visceral fat from the tongue will go, and visceral fat from this area, which is your tummy, will also go. And that's the best thing you can do. And plus pranayam, जो हमारी क्लासेस हैं उसमें प्राणायाम भी करो तो वो होगा. लेकिन अगेन यू नो यू वांट टू बी हेल्पिंग योर बॉडी थ्रू डिफरेंट एक्शंस, ताकि क्या होता है तभी अब अगर हम 2-3 चीजें इकट्ठे करते हैं ना, आप देखोगे 1 महीने में यू गेट विजिबल रिजल्ट्स. Like I have seen so many people who are working with us, like उनका जो sleep apnea का score था, like you know I saw the report, all red. It gives a score all red. And उनको again diabetes भी again was through the roof. जैसे ही उनका diabetes ठीक हुआ, उनकी sleep apnea और जो snoring है, मतलब उनकी wife के ही words में मैं बता रही हूँ, जो पहले 8 और 9 के होता था out of 10, अभी that had gone down to 2. So this is the difference in just 1.5 months of, उन्होंने तो सिर्फ डाइट में ही चेंज किया था और प्राणायाम और ये सब वो करते थे पहले से.
So if I am just starting, suppose I am just starting now, so two, three exercises you said in starting, that 1x, then 2x exhale, right? And then
Yeah.
systematic breathing,
Yes.
right? And then double inhale, then one long exhale. Apart from that, are there any simple breathing technique which I can start from today?
So I think the best thing that you can do is you can start coming to the yoga classes. That is the best thing, because there are quite a few techniques and some of them are really advanced as well. So there
Hmm.
are, depending upon what your level is, sir will keep on taking the level higher and higher.
Hmm.
Now इसमें क्या है, you are doing certain breathing things. Then उसके बाद होल्ड आने शुरू हो जाते हैं. होल्ड में यू स्टार्ट मॉड्यूलेटिंग, कि अब मैं थोड़ी देर इसमें रहूंगी, फिर थोड़ी देर उसमें रहूंगी. एंड देन देर आर बंद. बंद ही कर दोगे, आप चैनल को ब्लॉक कर देते हो.
Right.
बट दैट हैज टू बी डन अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ अ ट्रेन टीचर, बिकॉज
Right.
आपको अभी सी, जैसे क्या करते हैं ब्रेथ वर्क में ना, आपकी बॉडी के पाइप्स खुलने लग जाते हैं एकदम.
Hmm.
थिंक ऑफ इट लाइक दैट. बट अगर आपकी बॉडी में आपने बहुत ज्यादा कचरा भरा हुआ है, नाउ दैट कचरा विल स्टार्ट रीचिंग एवरीवेयर. So you must start coming to the classes, and वहां पर you learn the proper techniques. And इसको जो करने के लिए आप साथ में meditation and diet का भी अगर आप रोल रखोगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा है, because otherwise you will not be able to advance. So inhale exhale तक तो आप रह सकते हो, थोड़ा बहुत होल्ड भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन जैसे ही उसके एडवांस में जाते हो, लाइक यू स्टार्ट होल्डिंग फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड्स ऑफ टाइम, देन यू स्टार्ट चैनलाइजिंग. मतलब वो जो जैसे होता है ना, आपने उसमें देखा होगा जलंधर बंद, उद्यान बंद, मूल बंद. सो उससे क्या होता है कि आप बोलते हो कि मैं यहाँ की एनर्जी यहाँ पे डाल रहे हैं,
Correct.
बट लेकिन उसके लिए मेरी एनर्जीज पहले मेरे को थोड़ी शुद्धि करनी पड़ती है, जिसमें डाइट इज अ मेजर पार्ट. यू डोंट वांट अ शुद्ध एनर्जी टू बी जस्ट रोमिंग. देन क्या होगा कि जैसे अभी आई टेल यू, लाइक मेरे को हमेशा से ना शीर्षासन करने का बहुत शौक था, बट मेरे से होता नहीं था. सर
Sheesh,
ने,
just for viewers, what exactly is sheesh?
शीर्षासन इज हेडस्टैंड. So if you,
Right.
so standing on your head. So I always used to think like it's so, like it is something I used to think it's very difficult. But sir did not allow me to do it till the time I changed my diet. See,
Okay.
some of the advanced asan means you have to take your diet correction first. So in breathing, like let's say ki, I'll just tell you Anulom Vilom. Everybody may be aware of Anulom Vilom. So you inhale through the left, hold, then exhale through the right, then inhale through the right, hold, exhale through the left. And then of course you can learn it the proper techniques in the class. There are detailed tutorials which happen at the class itself. So these things actually, Anulom Vilom is Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. It is बैलेंसिंग प्राणायाम. वो लेफ्ट और राइट चैनल को बैलेंस ही तो कर रहा है, कि थोड़ी देर लेफ्ट चलेगा, फिर थोड़ी देर राइट चलेगा. भ्रामरी प्राणायाम, इन विच यू डू दैट हमिंग बी, वो होता है ना, सो दैट
Yes.
भ्रामरी प्राणायाम.
Yes. Yeah.
So Brahmari pranayam, people who are interested should look at the research. Immediately by doing the Brahmari pranayam, आपकी बॉडी में जो नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है 15 गुना बढ़ जाती है. एंड
Great.
नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड इज
And
समथिंग.
you said that it is very important with when you breathe through nose, it is
Yes.
in like right.
सो ब्रीदिंग थ्रू द नोज, तो वो भी नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड बढ़ाता है. ब्राह्मरी तो अभी एकदम हाथ के हाथ आपको अभी जैसे. एंड नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड, व्हाट इज इट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर? इट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर स्मूथ फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द एंटायर बॉडी. जो आपकी वेसल्स है उनको डायलेट करते हैं ताकि ब्लड हर जगह पहुंचे. सी, वेसल्स जब कॉन्स्ट्रिक्टेड होती हैं, ब्लड डज नॉट रीच एवरीवेयर, एंड देन यू हैव डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम. जिस एरिया में ब्लड गया ही नहीं, वहां पे फिर जंग लगना शुरू हो जाता है बॉडी के अंदर, ये होता है. एंड जंग लगता है, फिर धीरे धीरे वहां पे गलत गलत टाइप की ग्रोथ होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. सो बिकॉज यू वांट योर ब्लड, because your immune system is also there, so you want the blood to be reaching everywhere. For that the vessels have to be dilated, मतलब vessels have to be a little bit easy, मतलब ऐसा रुकी रुकी सी vessels नहीं होनी चाहिए. Now nitric oxide increases that.
Correct.
So आपका जैसे ही भ्रामरी प्राणायाम करते हो, and this is well documented in research papers. Om chanting, 5 minutes of Om chanting done 66 days continuously changed the hardware. ब्रेन की हार्ड एमआरआई स्कैन्स अलग हो गए थे. सो मेनी एरियाज वर फायरिंग टुगेदर. और आप हमारी क्लास में आओ, आप रात की मेडिटेशन में आओ, कि आप प्राणायाम क्लास में आओ, कहीं भी आओ, ओम चैंटिंग, आपको चैंट्स कई बार दिखेंगे वहां पे, आपको लगेगा ये 3-4 बार चैंट करके क्या होगा, उसी से ही हो जाएगा, ज्यादा रॉकेट साइंस है नहीं.
Now
So
I am getting to know that why yoga is so much important or breathing exercise, and that is why our course structure is that we are having 4 classes daily for almost, I mean, for 7 days. And
yes,
so that's
yes,
why you said in meditation class also that either you can do your own research or you can just rely on our findings, whatever we have done for
correct.
past many years, and we can just follow us. And that's why we said if you want to go for our classes, do write trial in the comment section, and we will reach out to
Yes.
you.
Absolutely,
So
and for making these classes and the pattern, what should be included in each class, what should be the weekly schedule of each class, how
mm,
often a particular area has to be worked on, that has been devised by, like, after reading, maybe about 4,000, 4,200 research papers. Now, either you can, read it yourself or just trust, and I will say ki not even trust us. Write trial, come for trials, but trial is only for 1 week. But I think एक 1 month अगर आप अपनी body को देते हो with the food part as well,
mm,
so then आप देखोगे trust your own body is what I will say.
mm,
Trust कि मेरे को जो पहले गुस्सा आ रहा था क्या वो सेम है, ट्रस्ट कि पहले जैसे जो मेरा काम में फोकस था क्या अब वो सेम है, उन चीजों को ट्रस्ट करो. मेरी जो परफॉर्मेंस थी, रात को मेरे पाँव में दर्द होता था, अब नहीं होता. मॉर्निंग में उठा नहीं जाता, अब आराम से उठा जाता है. ट्रस्ट दीज थिंग्स एंड बी सेंसिटिव टू दीज थिंग्स कि मतलब ये गड़बड़ हो रही है तो समथिंग बैड इज हैपनिंग, और अगर ये ठीक हो रही है मतलब आई एम ऑन द राइट ट्रैक.
correct. Okay. And so, like we were discussing exercise, so how does a breath connect to physical exercise like strength training, maybe dance classes we have, or yoga? How do they work together?
Correct. And is, they are basically complementary to each other. Not, I will say breath is like the petrol in pretty much everything.
Hmm.
राइट, बिकॉज गाड़ी कुछ भी करेगी, वो गाड़ी डांस करेगी कि वो गाड़ी गाना गाएगी कि वो गाड़ी रेस्ट करेगी, यू नीड पेट्रोल.
Correct.
मतलब रेस्ट, हाँ, यहाँ पे रेस्ट के लिए भी थोड़ा पेट्रोल लगता है.
Hmm.
So breath work is like the central petrol which will allow you to do all these things very beautifully. Now if you know the right breathing techniques, matlab if you know how, like, what are the ways in which you have to breathe during each of these classes, which of course, like, the teachers will tell from time to time, and you will also become more trained from time to time. This, when you are doing the exercise along with the breath work, your power will increase. I'll just tell you one example. I do leg press, and I go really heavy in those leg press, as you may have seen from the reel
Yes,
videos. Yeah. Now I do with correct form. So now,
that is important, and it
so
should be done under proper guidance for our
yeah,
viewers.
yeah. So this is so okay. So we are not, so in the wellness classes there are no leg presses because they have to be done live. Like, the
Yeah.
teacher has to be there, because when you do really heavy stuff, you want to be having the teacher right there with you physically, not online. So there, what happens is, if you modulate your breath a little bit, you will know, like, your capacity is increasing for the weightlifting. And this
Correct.
people can also experience in, even in the online classes when you are weightlifting. अभी मैं वो 2 किलो से कर रहे थे, आप अपनी ब्रीदिंग को जैसे सर कह रहे हैं वैसे कर रहे हो, सो देन आप अपना देखोगे कि धीरे धीरे आपका 2 का 3 किलो हो जाएगा, देन आपका 5 किलो हो जाएगा, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू लिफ्ट हायर वेट्स. It doesn't,
Correct.
so of course, one is your muscle keeps becoming better, second is as you breathe better, your muscle becomes even better.
Correct.
So this is what,
We
like,
always say that yes, exhale, inhale while.
correct, correct.
You're right.
And when you are, like, one thing I have seen is, like, if you are lifting really heavy, at that time you do double exhale and hold, and then do the next set. So बीच में जरा सा आप डबल एक्सेल, लंबा वाला एक्सेल करोगे ना, ऑटोमेटिकली बॉडी रिलैक्स हो जाती है उसमें, रिलैक्स होके फिर वो वापस से करती है, तो आपकी एनर्जी थोड़ी सी बढ़ जाती है. So this is like, and breathing is an integral part of all the physical activities you are doing, whether it is dance, whether it is talking. Like, I'll just give you an example. Like, जब कोई रोता है, right, सो और ये चीजें ना बॉडी ऑटोमेटिकली करती है. सो अगर आपको नहीं भी पता होगा एंड यू आर लिफ्टिंग वेट, बॉडी ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज करेगी. जैसे कि
लाइक
आप
दिस।
किसी बच्चे को रोते हुए देखोगे तो वो कैसे रोता है, लाइक दैट.
हाँ,
तो 3 बार आपने इनहेल लिया है,
करेक्ट।
ऑलरेडी लिया है. सो वो पर्पस के लिए अभी इस टाइम बॉडी आपको रिलैक्स करने के लिए इस तरह से ब्रीदिंग करा रही है. सी
राइट।
रुलाना भी है बॉडी को, क्योंकि देखो अभी आपको सपोज करो किसी चीज पे रोना आ रहा है, मैं ये नहीं कह रही रोगे नहीं. सी रोना आ रहा है तो आपको रोना ही चाहिए, बिकॉज जब आप रोते हो ना, आपके आंसू के थ्रू आपका स्ट्रेस निकलता है, कॉर्टिसोल निकल जाता है बॉडी में, जो अगर आप उसको नहीं निकालोगे तो वो फिर तंग करेगा बॉडी को. सो दिस इज अ वे. बट अब उसके बाद आपकी वो ब्रीदिंग ऑटोमेटिक चेंज करती है ताकि आप रिलैक्स हो जाओ. तो बच्चा रो रहा है, 4 बार भी ले लेगा, राइट? आप देखोगे. एंड दिस इज द बॉडीज वेज ऑफ रिलैक्सिंग. आप कभी ठंड में जाते हो, जैसे एकदम, तभी भी आपकी ब्रीदिंग चेंज हो जाती है. आप
करेक्ट।
एकदम कोल्ड शावर लिया, लेट्स से सर्दी है एंड आपने उसमें भी 0 डिग्री का शावर कर लिया, तो अगेन आपकी ब्रीदिंग चेंज हो जाती है, बिकॉज वो
करेक्ट।
अलग है. नाउ इफ यू रियली वांट टू कम ओवर योर स्ट्रेस, दिस इज द वन थिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू एंड यू ट्राई इट. आप लिख लो, आप करके देख लो, एंड फिर मुझे बताना. नहीं हो तो ये पॉडकास्ट छोड़ देना, सब्सक्राइब मत करना, कुछ मत करना. ठंडे पानी से नहाओ, एकदम ठंडे पानी से, ठीक है? और उसके बाद ना रिलैक्स होके ब्रीदिंग लो. ब्रीदिंग मत हिलने दो अपनी, कॉन्शियसली कंट्रोल करो ब्रीदिंग को. सो अभी क्या है, आप क्या सिखा रहे हो बॉडी को? अनकंफर्टेबल तो रहने ही वाले हो. ठंडा पानी इज क्वाइट अनकंफर्टेबल, राइट? उसमें भी ना ब्रीदिंग को प्रॉपर रखना. तो आपको क्या होगा, जब बहुत स्ट्रेस भी आएगा ना, आपको चिल रहना आ जाएगा. एक तरह से आपने ठंडा पानी डाला बॉडी पे, एंड उस टाइम आपने बॉडी को बोला रिलैक्स. कुछ ज्यादा कुछ नहीं हुआ, ठंडा पानी डाला था खाली बर्फ वाला, हाँ था 0 डिग्री पे, ओके.
राइट।
ये आप करके देखना, इमीडिएटली फॉलोइंग इट आप गुस्सा करने की कोशिश करना, लाइक कॉन्शियसली कोशिश करो मुझे गुस्सा आ जाए, नहीं आएगा.
करेक्ट।
सो बर्फ वाला पानी लो, जैसे होता है ना बर्फ वाला पानी, उसके अंदर फेस डाल दिया, यू नो दैट्स वेरी गुड फेशियल एज वेल. फेस डाल सकते हो, एंड देन पुट इट ऑन योर बॉडी. डोंट पुट इट ऑन द हेड, बिकॉज उससे कई लोगों को हो सकता है. सो पुट इट ऑन द बॉडी धीरे धीरे. तो सबसे पहले तो आप उसको धीरे धीरे डालने की प्रैक्टिस करो, और उसमें अपनी ब्रीदिंग नॉर्मल रखो. सो जब मैं धीरे धीरे डाल रही हूँ, जैसे कि कैसे शिवलिंग पे पानी डालते हैं वैसे डालो, एंड देन उसमें ब्रीदिंग नॉर्मल रखो. इससे आपकी रेस्ट ऑफ द लाइफ में जब इस तरह का स्ट्रेस आएगा ना, और वो भी धीरे धीरे चलेगा आपके ऊपर. सी इट्स इजियर टू पुट वो पूरा आइस को आप इकट्ठे डालना इज मच इजियर, स्लोली डालना इज व्हाट इट टेक्स मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ. एंड व्हेन यू डू दैट, यू विल सी योर माइंड का पूरा स्टेट चेंज हो जाती है. एंड उसका एकदम, जैसे मैंने आपको उसका एक प्रूफ मैं आपको ये बता रही हूँ कि आपने ये किया, उसके बाद आपने ब्रीदिंग को नॉर्मल अपना रखा. अब गुस्सा करने की ना कोशिश करना, कुछ इमेजिन करो जिसमें गुस्सा आना चाहिए आपको, आप देखोगे नहीं आएगा. एटलीस्ट अगले 1 घंटे तक आपको बहुत दिक्कत होगी गुस्सा करने में.
So I think that is why controlled breathing is very much powerful, because I was reading somewhere that at the advanced stages of meditation, you have to breathe like when you inhale and once you exhale. The one thing you are saying that it should be so slow that if you put sand over here on your hand, it should not be like sand. There should not be any movement in sand, and that is why we have seen many yogi munis sitting on like ice cold uh, mountains, or like without a bare body, I mean nude body, they can sit.
जैसे ये
Yes.
विम हॉफ मेथड आजकल बहुत फेमस हो रहा है, बट हमारे योगीज तो वैसा कर चुके हैं, बट यू नो दैट टाइम इतना इंटरनेट नहीं था. सो विम हॉफ मेथड इज बिकमिंग सो फेमस. वो ठंडी ठंडी जगह में लोग अपने, सो बेसिकली आप अपने अंदर के सन को बुला लेते हो ना. सी इफ यू नो हाउ टू यूज योर ब्रेथ, you know when to bring sun out, when to bring moon out. So then if I am very cold, I will bring my sun out, and then I don't need ऊपर के कपड़े क्या करेंगे, अंदर से ही आ गया sun.
So I think this is very powerful tool, and people
This is
should
the most
focus
powerful
on it.
tool for your mind, for your body, and the
Moreover, you
easiest.
said yes, and moreover you said it is like petrol to your body, and if I think in my mind, I think this is the only petrol which is like going from nature, जो हमारा जा रहा है, सांस से ही हमारी बॉडी चल रही है.
Correct.
And
Correct.
because even without food you can stay for like 7 8 days, and without breath, I don't know if there is something like record in that. Is there any record for holding breath which you can do in case we are in advanced stage of meditation?
Oh, I don't know. I think I don't know about that. Maybe,
Okay,
matlab like, हाँ, but what
so
we can target is,
viewers
हाँ,
can comment in section
हाँ,
that how long they can hold the breath.
हाँ, correct.
And
Because that is basically like, your CO2 tolerance test. जब आपने inhale किया, then आप बंद करके देखो, and then
Hmm,
फिर उसको exhale करो. And you can do
correct.
it and tell us in the comments like how long you are able to do, because like आप जितना लंबा उसको करते जाओगे और आप देखोगे जैसे जैसे आपकी प्राणायाम की प्रैक्टिस रेगुलर होती जा रही है ना, आपका होल्ड बढ़ता जाएगा.
Correct.
और जैसे ही आपका ब्रेथ के ऊपर होल्ड बढ़ेगा ना, आपका अपने माइंड के ऊपर होल्ड ऑटोमेटिकली आने लग जाएगा.
Hmm,
Because we told, like, we learn how they are connected, how
correct.
one is talking to another muscle which is talking to the nervous system, and then vice versa as well.
Correct. So, right, Priyanka, let's do a quick recap for our viewers who just joined or maybe watching us on mobile, so they can just
Or they can take
go.
key takeaways from the session.
Correct. So, starting with why is how we breathe so important for our mental health?
The way we breathe is extremely important because this is one tool that we have through which we can modulate our body and mind both. We are using so many muscles in when we are doing these breath work. Those muscles are sending signal to your brain of how comfortable you are in life or not. So just by changing the rhythm of those muscles, just by changing your breath work, you change the rhythm of those muscles, which send a signal to the brain that all is well. So if you want your brain to feel all is well, you need to learn, you need to come in the wellness classes, you need to come in the yoga classes particularly, and do that breath work.
Okay. And can changing the way we breathe really help with stress and anxiety?
So the simple example we can just tell the viewers right now is, we'll do three breaths, double inhale and exhale. So do with me.
Slow exhale.
So मेरे हाथ की स्पीड से करना. जब भी मैं ऊपर कर रही हूँ मतलब इनहेल है, और जब नीचे जितनी धीरे धीरे आ रहा है मतलब यहां तक आएगा तब एक्सेल फिनिश होना चाहिए. So उसके साथ करना है आपको, 3 बार करना है.
बस आपका हाथ बहुत नीचे चला गया.
अब आप देखिए कि आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, थोड़ी शांति लग रही है कि नहीं लग रही.
Yes, I'm relaxed. Viewers can comment.
Yes. So if you felt relaxed, please comment relax.
Yes.
And so this is like, and this is just one tool. Now there are many type of different breath works for different things which we do in the classes, depending upon whether I want to focus more right now, whether I want to speak better right now, or whether I want to relax right now. Is my like, and then you club up these breath work with different type of mudras. So it's a proper science. And and when you come to these classes, then you will know how, depending upon what is life asking of me right now, what is my duty right now, I will change my breath using those tools on my hands and in my nose.
Great. And next is your take on nose breathing and mouth breathing. Hmm.
If you want to look good, you have to breathe through your nose. Your nose is way more complicated for breathing, and it is made for breathing. There is left channel, there is right channel. When air goes through your nasal pathways, it increases the amount of nitric oxide in the body. Compared to mouth, the difference is 15 times. Nitric oxide you need for pretty much a lot of functions in the body, which one of which is to keep you happy, and the other is to make sure every cell in the body is getting oxygen. So that is where nitric oxide becomes important. So you have to breathe through your nose. Plus, if you care about your jawline, do not breathe through your mouth because it will make you look ugly. So if you are breathing through your mouth continuously, your this area will become all goal and dila, and then you know
Hmm.
then you can uske baad aap jaw line ki और exercises karo fir. So but the simplest thing, and why did it become like that, is because you are breathing through your mouth. So you have to stop breathing through your mouth and only breathe through your nose. And इसी में ही, especially when people who are getting orthodontic treatment done, please make sure they do not remove your teeth to make space for teeth to go in, because then when your mouth becomes way too small for your tongue ensures that you are breathing through the mouth. So it makes
Hmm.
you mouth breather for rest of your life. So you may be, you may be getting happier with your teeth, but ultimately, like if you are breathing for mouth, your jawline will spoil, and then various other things, different type of heart issues, and if you are breathing through the mouth versus nose, the research is undoubtedly towards the nasal breathing. Mouth breathing is a cause of a number of diseases, a number of chronic diseases.
Correct. Okay, and how can we use breathing techniques to improve our sleep?
So sleep apnea is one of the major reasons in which sleep gets disrupted. People snore at night. So this is a sign of disrupted breathing, disrupted channels for breathing, which are resulting in a poor sleep. And we have seen multiple times how important sleep is for your well-being overall, whether short term, long term, or medium term. Now, in order to make, so you have to practice nasal breathing during the day so that at night the same practice
Hmm.
remains. Second, you have to see that you are using your mouth for the purpose that the mouth was built, which is for chewing, which means you are eating enough salads in which you are chewing your food. If you are
Correct.
not exercising this part, your tongue becomes fat. So there is visceral fat on the tongue as well. Just like you have visceral fat on the tummy, you have fat on the tongue, which results in snoring first, and then in advanced stages it becomes sleep apnea. So you have to make sure use the mouth for the purpose of chewing and use nose for the purpose of breathing, and do not confuse the two.
Okay, and some simple exercises to start with.
So one of my, my top three things which you can do is double inhale and then a very long exhale. That's number one. Second one is just deep rhythmic breathing. If you don't know anything, deep rhythmic breathing. You breathe with us, right? And then the third part would be, and like, it's different to say just one, because there are many good techniques that you can do. The third one, which I would say is extremely powerful, is anulom vilom, because a lot of the disease which happens in the body comes because the two systems, the sun and the moon, the the sympathetic and the parasympathetic, they are imbalanced.
Correct.
Anulom vilom helps in balancing the two. If your
Hmm.
systems are in balance, pretty much सब चीजें बैलेंस में आ जाएंगी, चाहे वो आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ है कि वो आपकी फिजिकल हेल्थ है. So anulom vilom, and I think the best thing that you should do is start coming to the yoga classes, because there we have devised it. The whole schedule of the week is like that कि सब कुछ कवर हो जाएगा. So
Correct.
different systems जो हैं उनको, और ये सब चीजें क्या होती हैं, 5-5 मिनट में असर करती हैं. आप
Correct.
करके तो देखो, वो प्राणायाम की 15 मिनट तो बहुत हो गया. एक दिन में 15 मिनट आपने प्राणायाम कर लिया हमारे साथ क्लास के अंदर, दैट विल हेल्प यू लाइक प्रीटी मच. और वो भी वीकली साइकिल्स हैं, तो हर ऑर्गन जो हर एक उसका पार्ट है वो वीक में कवर हो जाता है. So if you want to experience that, you should write trial in the comment section, and we will share with you the details, and see for yourself. Don't trust us, see for yourself.
Correct. And how does this breathing connect with physical exercises like strength training and yoga also?
So the better you breathe, the better your physical performance becomes. The better you breathe through your nose, you are better at becoming, long exhales, then holding. The more you club your breathing with the physical activity, and with the right knowledge that you will get in the classes कि किस physical activity में कब breathe in करना है, कब breathe out करना है, कैसे करना है. So all those things when you will get, and when you club the two, your performance skyrockets. And this is not just your performance in the wellness class or in the gym or in the yoga class. This is your performance in the life itself, because
Correct.
there are various techniques that you can do, like we spoke about, the cold cold therapy. So you put cold water and in that try to keep your breathing normal. Now,
Hmm.
what are you teaching your brain? You are teaching your brain it's okay to be not okay at times. And still, breathing is okay.
Hmm.
Even when the situation is not okay outside, I am okay. Because
Correct.
situation will never be as per what you think it will be. It will always challenge you. No
Hmm.
matter how good like a life that you have, you will always have challenging situations. And through breathing is that method which gives that message from that challenging situation to your brain, and then brain sends body को signals. बट अगर मैंने ब्रीदिंग को बीच में हाईजैक कर लिया
Hmm.
तो बॉडी को तक सब चिल रहेगा. हो गया.
Correct.
बिग डील.
Right. I think breathing is very powerful. So I think we should end this session now. And thank you everyone for joining on this journey to discover the power of breath for mental wellness. And we hope you found today's conversation insightful and inspiring. And we did give you many techniques to try on. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your family and friends, because everyone deserves to know how something as simple as breathing can change your life. And if you are ready to take your wellness to next level, just try writing trial in the our comment section. We'll send you details and try it for a month or like 7 8 days. You will feel the difference. And we offer 6 live classes every day plus 2 bonus meditation sessions to help you put these breathing techniques into practice. And at UAP, we will help you breathe easy in meditation, and we will also make sure that you are gasping for it in our strength classes and dance classes. So just write trial in the comment section, and we will send you all the details. And Priyanka, thank you so much. Any last words
Thank
you want to say to our viewers?
No, no, absolutely. Like, no, I think you have summarized it really well. The only thing is, like, think of breathing as the key to your brain. So, like,
Correct.
anybody who is struggling with mental health issues, anybody who is struggling with stress, anybody who feels that, in life they are not getting what they want, just
Hmm.
try focusing a little bit on this area. And this area could be holding that key to whatever dream that you are harboring for yourself. Because once you get mental strength, you pretty much can do whatever you want to do with this machine that you have.
Correct. So, right, until next time, stay fit, stay healthy, keep breathing, or I should say, deep breathing, but don't breathe through your mouth, please.